Welcome back to day 6 Vlogmas, which is kind of starting early because we're still in day 5, but doing Amazon Flex tonight. Anyways, got to do that flex, make that Christmas money. So we grinding tonight, and then we got another one at 4 in the morning. So. That is just a crazy light show. Nice though. Love the holidays. Yeah, this was 4:10 a.m. in the morning right now. We're back at the Amazon Flex Center and we're picking up an order that we're gonna deliver, possibly, unless they don't have any orders ready for her. And then we're just gonna have to like sit here for like 30 minutes and see. Hopefully, because if they don't have an order that fits our time schedule block, then they just send us home with pay, which would be nice because then I can go back to sleep. As you can tell, I'm tired, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But this is the grind to Christmas. You can always find a way. Sometimes life can deal you a shitty hand. Sometimes life sucks, but you can always find a way. So don't let life get you down. Anyways, let's get this one done. And then I have another one this afternoon to do, which today is Pokemon Go Community Day. So I'm going to take my youngest daughter so then that way she can catch all the shinies that she missed this year. Because it's every Community Day Pokemon from the year 2025, all in the 2-day event. And I'll take you guys with me. Always sending us into like places that are like way out of nowhere. But check out the stars and the moon tonight. Not bad. It's pretty quiet out here. I'd love to live in a place this quiet.
The other day and yesterday?
I slept an hour after being back in the first block this morning.
Shinies that I caught today. So I got one shiny Palmy. I got what I was looking for, shiny Vanillite. And then a shiny Sprigatito. And that's just day 1 of the community day. We'll see what I get tomorrow. So I guess we'll stop and take the opportunity to take the kids out to, you know, get them Mickey D's and whatnot. This evening's Amazon Flex, they didn't have any routes that would fit our block time, so they sent us away with pay. And that's like one of the cool things, right? So like for those who don't know anything about Amazon Flex, one thing that you guys will know if you guys decide to do Amazon Flex for a side hustle is that anytime that there's a block, like say you're scheduled like 4 to 6:30 or something like that, and they don't have a route of, you know, a route that fits that time, then they send you home. But they send you home with pay because, you know, you kind of wait the 30 minutes to see if they can find you a route. So they still pay you for the time that you sat there and waited. And it's not and the cool thing is it's not a portion of the actual pay. So like if your 2.5 hour window was like $68 in pay, you get the whole $68 even though you didn't get a route. So that's dope. Anyways, we're gonna hang out with the kids then, since we ain't got nothing else to do right now except kill some time on Saturday, and then head home and probably gonna watch some movies tonight with the kids. Don't know what.
Well, even answer. She's gonna kill me. Apparently, they have some good friends. They have some friends. Mom, I might have.
Jana has a really nice internet